Praise God, everyone. My name is Debra. Today I'm here to share with you how to post your video on YouTube channel. So I decided to share with you this, especially people who using phone to post our video on YouTube channel. So I decided to share with you this. Some of us will go direct on YouTube studio and we go direct on our YouTube channel. That's wrong. So watch this video up to end so that I can show you how to post your video on YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Let us start. Okay guys, you're going to come here and here. So here youtubestudio.com. youtubestudio.com, guys. Don't go directly on YouTube studio and don't go directly on YouTube channel. So do you see the login? We're going to come here to login. Okay, this is my channel dashboard. So that's why I decided to share with you. I take a lot of time to download my video direct on my YouTube channel, but I didn't get the viewers. So I want just share with you so that I don't like you to do the same mistake I do. Okay, you're going to come here to create. Here you can go live, upload video, create post, new playlist, but we need just upload video. So you're going to come here. Okay, and here. Okay, I'm going to pick this video, this one. Yes, you hear guys, we're here, and here you're going to put any title you want. Any title you want. Okay guys, I'm going to put how to style your natural hair. Okay, and I'm going to come here. Did you guys see? So we're going here. You can use 5,000 words here, but in a title we just give you it's 100 words, but here you can put 1,000 words. Let me just I give you just example how to style your natural hair, and after that you're going to come here. I'm just give you example. This video it's show you how to style your natural hair. I'm just give you example guys. So and you can put anything like a ash, you can put text, but we don't put anything here, just put your words. Okay, and here it's playlist. You can put your video on playlist if you have playlist. This is my playlist, and this is, you have to pay attention here. We need to show you something here. Here they say paid promotion. If you accepted anything of value from a third party to make your video, you must let us know. We shall view and message that tells them your video contain paid promoted. So you can switch it on or off. It's your opinion. So and you come here, the same thing here. You can shoot anything you want. Do you do any of the following? Describe your content. Makes a real person appear to say or do something they don't say or know. Alters footage of a real event or place. Okay, you can say like someone come to download your video. The YouTube can send you the message. There is someone take your video, or you're supposed to give someone permission to take your video, to download your video. And you're going to come here. Here, tag can be useful if content is your video is a commonly misprayed. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. Here guys, I think you can see here. So you can put how to don't put hash, please. On hashtags, don't put hash. Okay, you're going to put how to style your here, and put comma, and here, tools. Okay, and put comma, and you're going to put simple lecture style. Okay, so you can put any word you want. Here they give you 1,500 words to use here tags. So here you can language and caption certification. Select your video's language, and if you needed a caption certificate here guys, it depends. Yeah, this is important. I want to show you this. You can see this here, pushed to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Here guys, if you like me, I don't have subscriber. You see I have just 12 subscriber, but I'm going to switch this on, because when I leave, I'm going to switch it off, sorry. When I leave switched on, the YouTube, they're going to push my video on that subscriber. They don't give my video attention to push my video so that other people can watch my video. So that I decided to switch it off, because YouTube, they're going to push my video anywhere. Okay, so if you don't have subscriber, please switch this off. But if you have your subscriber, please leave this on. Okay, you can leave this on, but leave off. So you're going to come here. This one, I think you pay this attention. If you don't have subscriber like me, don't leave this on. Switch it off. Here, category. So here, add your video to a category so viewers can find it more easy. Like here, so me, I say how to and style. You can put film and animation, gaming, music, new and politics, non-profit, say activity, people and blogs, paint and animals, science and technology, sports, travel and events. So you can choose one, but me, I choose how to and style. So you can choose anything. It depends your video talking about. So talk about, and I think I want to show you something. Here you can choose. Let me show you. Here, let me download one picture. Shouldn't I put one picture? Yes, I should. Let me pick. If you don't want pick, you can leave YouTube to choose for you. But let me pick something here like this. Okay, it's appear here. Do you see here? So But another way, guys, see, some of us we don't know how to promote our videos. That's why I decided to share with you this because even me, I do the same mistake. I just go and post my video without to know anything. We didn't see any research about video to post video on YouTube channel, so that's why I decided to share with you. So you're going to come here. Do you see video element here? Okay, guys, you're going to come here. Here, add an in screen promote related content at the end of your video. You're going to come here. You can promote any video you want. So let me come here. You see, guys, so YouTube now best for you allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to be. So now I'm going to let YouTube to select for me the video. So I'm not going to select any video. So here you can select from your video or from any video on YouTube. So you can promote your video here. Let me save here. Okay. Okay, I'm done this one. Here, add cards, promote related content during your video. So here, you can put here. You're going to come here. You can choose any video you want. Okay. Let me choose let me choose this one. Okay, guys. So here you can put any word you want for your clients, for your viewers, for your subscriber here. Okay. Just I'm going to put thank you for watching. So thank you for watching. Just they give you 30 words. Watching my video. Okay, but you can put anything you want. For you can put my god, it's so slow. Video. Okay, that's enough. Even here you can test anything you want. There's something they give you 30 seconds here. Let me put just here. Okay, just I'm done. Okay, you're going to come here and save it. Okay, guys, that's now details video elements checks. I think we're done. Now we're going to come here. You're going to decide your video to be private, public. Here I think you need our video to be private. Here they check your video. It is do you have copyright? If you don't have copyright, they give you here. So do you see here your video? It's now my video is already done to download. They check here, they say no issue found. That means my video there is no copyright. So you're going to come here. I'm going to put my video on public, or you can put here if you want your video. They were here in private. They told you only you and people you choose can watch your video. Here any with the video link can watch your video. Okay, so you're going to come here to save. Did you see here? Back or save. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. After here everything it's fine. You're going to find your video on YouTube channel. You're going to find your video on YouTube channel. Already your video it's there. So for another video I want to show you how to set your video how to set your YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.